So what we have here is a shower. I removed the shower wall. I had some water damage. So now I need to remove the sheetrock on the other side of the wall. And here's how we're gonna do that. You just feel around for a good spot. Make sure you get your drill ready, because there's gonna be screws on the other side. Make sure you wear your safety goggles. So, we got the drill out. Where's the drill? We got the drill. Okay, we got the drill. We got the Phillips bit. As you can see, we're gonna need that to take the screws out of the sheetrock. So, we're gonna find a spot on the sheetrock, and we're gonna take the sheetrock down.